Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today we're going to talk about how to optimize your content to get more people to view your content on LinkedIn. Now, one of the most common mistakes that I see is people don't optimize for their audience. Oftentimes they just talk about themselves and trying to impress the audience by bragging or humble bragging about their life. But here's the thing, nobody really cares about you, and especially if they don't know you, they might just think you're like a total douchebag. And here's what you want to think about. You want to think about like who is your audience and what are their needs actually. And you want to start by the beginner level. And you start by introducing a topic. You always want to start here. And then you want to quickly transition from wherever you want to go. If you have like an advanced topic, always start at the beginner level and then transition explaining something like medium advanced to advanced. You always want to build this bridge. Sometimes the bridge might be shorter. If you're going from something like total beginner to beginners and you don't have to bridge that much of a gap. Sometimes it might be larger, but you always want to make sure that you're starting out and building little transition blocks so it's easy for them to get them where you want to be. You might have like 10 people here, 10 people there, 20 people there. This makes sure that you're pushing them all up. If you start somewhere in the middle and you just pull them up, those not gonna get caught in the middle. They're just gonna stay there and they're just gonna look at your post and say like, I don't understand what's going on. You wanna make sure that you make those swiping movements as big as possible. And that's the most important factor. You addressing everyone's most common denominator and trying to equalize each person's level. Now, if you want to learn more about how to create content that is convincing your audience that they want to buy from you, you want to check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program where I teach you my A to Z system on how to generate leads for LinkedIn. I put the link down in the pinned comment below and into the description, so make sure that you check out the link. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.